Hi everybody, my name's Leela and I'm a member of Engineering4All, and this is the 5th video of Engineering4All's online workshop series. In today's video, students will learn about bioengineering. Engineering4All is a nonprofit that's focused on bringing engineering education to different elementary schoolers in the downtown San Jose area. And for the past year, we've been offering different workshops and clubs to elementary schools in the area. Since the COVID-19 crisis, we've had to move our operation online, which is why we've been offering these online workshops. In today's workshop, students will learn about how DNA modeling is a job that some bioengineers have, and they will do this through the last activity of our video, where students will get to make their.
Who are bioengineers? Bioengineers are typically interested in using concepts from biology and engineering. Specifically, they use concepts from biology and chemistry combined with electrical, mechanical, and computer science to make products that improve the health of humans. They also work closely with doctors, therapists, and researchers to develop equipment and devices that are more efficient for the medical world. Some examples of the work done by bioengineers are X-ray machines, prosthetics, and robotic surgical devices.
Before we begin, we have to first understand what DNA is. DNA is a molecule that is shaped as a double helix, which is simply the name given to the specific shape of DNA. It exists in all living things, and it contains the information for how a living thing looks and functions, kind of like a recipe. In humans, DNA helps determine the color of your eyes, your height, the color of your hair, etc. So now that we understand what DNA is, we can start making the model.
To make a DNA molecule, you will need tape, 8 pipe cleaners. We will be using the colors green, orange, purple, blue, pink, and red, but you can use any colors you want. We will be using 2 of green, 2 of orange, and 4 more pipe cleaners that are different colors. The structure of DNA is a double helix, and it consists of a backbone along with 4 nucleotides that pair together. Adenine goes with thymine, and cytosine goes with guanine. For the backbone of the DNA, we will be using green and orange. For adenine, we will be using purple. For thymine, we will be using blue. For guanine, we will be using pink. And for cytosine, we will be using red. To put together the DNA molecule, first take 2 full pipe cleaners of different colors and twist them together. Then repeat this step with 2 other pipe cleaners that are the same colors as the one you just used. Next, take your 4 other pipe cleaners and cut them into 5 equal pieces each. Then you will take blue and pink. These will go on the side of your backbone from step 1 of the DNA molecule. Twist blue on top of the backbone, then twist pink right below blue. Continue alternating until you run out of colors. Repeat this step on the other side with purple and red. Remember, adenine goes with thymine and cytosine goes with guanine, so make sure your colors correlate. Now that you have your 2 strands, tape the nucleotides together. Grab the 2 ends of the DNA and slowly turn the molecule like this. And you're done. Good job, everyone.
Understanding DNA is essential for bioengineers since they study specific DNA sequences on a day-to-day basis. Specifically, they use the DNA sequences to investigate different genetic disorders such as colorblindness, Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, and more. They develop technologies that can manipulate or replace parts of DNA that are damaged or missing.
Great job, everyone! We are so proud of you for learning more about engineering. Throughout this video, you have used the same process that all engineers use to develop their ideas into everyday products. First step was ask a good question, where in this project is where you ask, what is DNA? Second step is brainstorming, where we start to think and discuss what DNA is. Then we have prototyping, where we start to make small parts of the DNA to see if we'll be able to use to make the whole DNA itself. This can also relate to designing, where we start to sketch or visualize how the whole DNA will look from the data we gather from the prototype. From there, we start to build the model itself. After that, we start to test. Since this is a model, we can test by comparing our model to the real-life pictures we see online. And from there, we can either redesign to improve it or be satisfied for what we have.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe down below. We make new videos every single week and we would love your support. Don't forget to follow us on our social media right here. And if you can, please donate to the link down below. We are a nonprofit and we would love to have your support. So thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you next week. Bye!